The 2027 Ford Ranger Lightning EV represents not only a bold evolution of the American pickup truck but also a clear signal that Ford has fully embraced the electric revolution with confidence, craftsmanship, and vision. Designed, engineered, and produced in the United States, the Ranger Lightning EV merges traditional American toughness with futuristic electric innovation. From the first glance, the truck establishes a commanding presence, a confident silhouette that combines aerodynamic sophistication with muscular utility. Its exterior, cloaked in a luminous metallic silver-blue finish, gives the impression of molten steel frozen mid-motion. The front fascia is defined by a wide LED light bar that stretches gracefully across the grille, illuminating the iconic Ford emblem, which now glows with soft electric radiance. Beneath the sculpted hood, the vehicle hides an advanced electric heart, an architecture built around Ford's next-generation quantum drive dual-motor system, capable of delivering over 700 horsepower and an earth-shaking 950 pound-feet of torque. This is not merely an electric pickup, it is a performance statement that challenges the boundaries of what trucks can achieve in the EV era. Inside the white luxury English-inspired showroom, the 2027 Ranger Lightning EV stands like a sculpture of technological ambition. Each detail of the design speaks of balance, the harmony between industrial strength and refined elegance. The headlights resemble precision-engineered blades, cutting through the darkness with surgical accuracy, while the seamlessly integrated LED signature gives the car a futuristic aesthetic unmatched by any competitor. The bodywork is composed of lightweight liquid titanium alloy, a breakthrough material Ford developed in partnership with aerospace engineers to ensure the highest structural integrity while minimizing mass. The truck's aerodynamics have been meticulously optimized in wind tunnels, with retractable vents and adaptive air channels that reduce drag while improving battery efficiency. On the road, this vehicle commands both attention and respect. Every surface, from the chiseled fenders to the smooth tailgate embossed with an illuminated Ranger badge, contributes to the impression that this pickup is designed not only to move powerfully but to move beautifully. Stepping inside the cabin of the Ranger Lightning EV is like entering the cockpit of a spacecraft designed for human comfort rather than interstellar travel. The interior exudes sophistication and serenity. Ford's designers have embraced a new philosophy called silent strength, where technology disappears into the background to allow the driver a calm and focused experience. The seats are crafted from Meteor Rock leather, a sustainable hybrid material developed to replicate the texture of fine Italian hide while remaining completely eco-friendly. Soft blue ambient lighting traces the contours of the cabin, creating an atmosphere of quiet luxury. The centerpiece is a holographic touchscreen console, capable of projecting 3D navigation maps and vehicle data into the air, controllable by gesture or voice. The driver's instrument cluster is a fully digital 15-inch curved OLED display, showing energy flow, driving statistics, and even AI-generated route suggestions based on user mood and schedule. Every element, from the steering wheel wrapped in carbon thread fabric to the diamond glass panoramic roof, reminds the occupant that this is not just transportation but a redefinition of the modern driving experience. Powering the Ranger Lightning EV is Ford's new FusionCell battery technology, a proprietary solid-state system that delivers unparalleled efficiency, durability, and safety. With a total range of approximately 720 kilometers, 450 miles, on a single charge, it sets a new benchmark for midsize pickups. The dual-motor setup provides precise torque vectoring to each wheel, ensuring traction and stability in all conditions. Off-road, the truck performs with the same confidence as its gas-powered ancestors, with adaptive terrain mapping and real-time suspension control. On paved roads, however, it transforms into a silent beast, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 3.2 seconds, an achievement once unimaginable for a pickup. The chassis uses a fully integrated aluminum carbon frame that adjusts rigidity dynamically depending on driving conditions. The result is a ride that feels both luxurious and powerful, equally at home in the wilderness or the city. Ford has poured innovation into every hidden corner of this vehicle. Beneath the sleek front bonnet lies not a conventional engine but a modular electric power hub, showcasing glowing blue circuits and Ford's signature, Lightning Core, module. This engine compartment is a visual marvel, polished metallic plates encasing coiled plasma conductors that pulse faintly with electrical energy, visible through a transparent protective layer. Engineers describe it as the beating heart of Ford's future. The cooling system uses nanofluid circulation, maintaining ideal temperatures even under extreme load. Every bolt and wire has been optimized for longevity and precision. During factory assembly, robotic arms position each motor mount with micrometer accuracy, ensuring that every 2027 Ranger Lightning EV that rolls off the Michigan assembly line meets aerospace level tolerances. The interior mechanical system, usually hidden from consumers, has been exposed during development press tours, revealing a stunning level of integration between digital electronics and mechanical engineering. Inside the chassis, self-healing smart polymers reinforce critical structures, automatically repairing micro cracks. Beneath the seats, micro-cooling units circulate air to maintain comfort, while the infotainment processor, nicknamed Titan AI, monitors driver habits to anticipate preferences. Titan AI does not simply respond to commands, it learns from the driver's tone, time of day, and even emotional cues detected from cabin sensors. If the driver sounds stressed, the system subtly adjusts cabin lighting and temperature to promote calmness. If the driver begins a long journey, the AI preloads the best music playlists, route optimizations, and energy consumption plans automatically. This symbiosis between man and machine reflects Ford's vision for 2030 and beyond. Vehicles that understand, not just obey. The assembly process itself is a triumph of modern engineering artistry. Inside Ford's state-of-the-art electric vehicle plant in Dearborn, Michigan, hundreds of synchronized robotic systems perform a ballet of precision. Each Ranger Lightning EV begins as a laser-cut aluminum frame, gradually receiving body panels, electric systems, and finally, the solid-state battery core. Ford engineers call the moment when the battery meets the chassis, the spark, symbolizing the birth of each new vehicle. Quality inspectors monitor every detail through augmented reality headsets, ensuring no deviation escapes detection. Even the paint process is revolutionary. A zero-emission electrostatic coating system applies the metallic silver-blue finish with molecular precision, giving the body a mirror-like glow under showroom lights. The production line hums with quiet intensity, a harmony of human expertise and robotic perfection that represents the pinnacle of American manufacturing in the electric age. When the Ranger Lightning EV finally rolls out for testing, it faces conditions that would challenge even the toughest trucks. Arctic cold chambers, desert wind tunnels, and off-road obstacle ranges all become proving grounds for Ford's engineers. The truck's electric motors perform flawlessly under all extremes, and its battery retains over 95% capacity even after simulated years of harsh use. Test drivers report that despite its immense power, the vehicle remains effortless to control, steering is crisp, acceleration linear, and braking regenerative yet natural. Ford has managed to create a vehicle that feels both familiar and futuristic. It still carries the DNA of American grit, the spirit of the classic Ranger, but wrapped in the intelligence and elegance of tomorrow's mobility. Visually, the top view reveals the brilliance of its aerodynamic sculpting. The panoramic roof glimmers under light, extending seamlessly from windshield to tailgate. Every curve, crease, and panel seems to follow a hidden rhythm of design geometry aimed at efficiency and aesthetic balance. Ford's design chief describes the philosophy behind the Lightning EV as precision in motion, where even still, the car looks alive. The underbody, usually neglected in pickups, has been shielded with smooth panels that improve range and reduce wind resistance. These engineering details, though unseen by casual observers, contribute to the vehicle's record-breaking efficiency and silent glide at highway speeds. In back view, the Ranger Lightning EV exudes power and elegance simultaneously. The rear LED taillight bar stretches the entire width of the truck, creating a light signature instantly recognizable on the road. The tailgate features an integrated digital badge that changes color according to driving mode, silver for eco, blue for normal, and red for sport. A concealed compartment under the bed houses additional power outlets, turning the vehicle into a mobile workstation capable of running heavy equipment or charging other EVs. Ford's engineers envisioned it not merely as transportation but as a tool of creation, a power source for adventurers, builders, and dreamers. By the time Ford unveiled the Ranger Lightning EV 2027 to the public, the automotive world was already buzzing with anticipation. The launch event, held in a minimalist white English-style showroom in California, gathered celebrities, engineers, journalists, and enthusiasts from around the world. As the lights dimmed and the massive LED screen came alive with thunderstorm visuals, the truck rolled forward silently, its headlights cutting through the haze like lightning breaking the clouds. Applause erupted as Ford's CEO described the Ranger Lightning as a symbol of power without pollution, speed without sound, and heritage without compromise. The presentation concluded with the vehicle charging wirelessly on stage, a demonstration of Ford's new magnetic induction system, which eliminates traditional charging cables. Critics have hailed the Ranger Lightning EV as a turning point for Ford, a car that not only bridges its legendary past with an electrified future but also challenges Tesla and Rivian in their own domain. While its competitors chase Ranger speed records, Ford has focused on emotional connection and reliability, the things that make people trust a brand. The Ranger Lightning EV's build quality, comfort, and sense of purpose have drawn admiration from reviewers and owners alike. It feels designed not by a corporation, but by people who truly understand the essence of driving. In conclusion, the 2027 Ford Ranger Lightning EV is far more than an electric pickup. It is a declaration that the American spirit, bold, innovative, and unrelenting, has found a new home in the age of electricity. From its breathtaking design and luxurious interior to its state-of-the-art electric engine and precision assembly, every detail reflects a pursuit of perfection. It is a vehicle that honors tradition while embracing the future, embodying the power of silence, the elegance of strength, and the promise of progress. Ford has not simply built a truck, it has sculpted a vision of what tomorrow's world on wheels can look like: clean, intelligent, and electrifyingly human.